Anyone that knows me knows I'm big on maintenance. It doesn't matter if it's the vehicle that I drive around in, but especially when it comes to outboard engines, because at the end of the day, these need to get us back to shore. And for me, especially in tournaments, I need to get back on time every time. And I always like to know what's going on in there. And often enough, the maintenance schedule on these is 100 hours. Same with I run a 400 Verado, but I often change my oil, in between events. It might be 30 to 50 hours on that oil change. But I think this is very important to have that early maintenance schedule done on it, especially having a dealer tech go through it on the gear case side, because that gear case is running a very small amount of fluid. You're never gonna know until something happens or you get your oil changed. And so that's why I like to do it very frequently. But what it also does is it's cheap maintenance. Oil is very inexpensive compared to what could be the alternative. So it's one of those things where I always like to keep an eye on it. Maybe it's checking the oil frequently. On these new V8 engines, they make it very easy with this access panel here on the top that I can get right to my dipstick very easy without pulling the cowl. So it's just one of those things to really understand how your motor works, what the operation is, but also going through it enough to trying to catch a problem before it's a major issue and you might not get back to shore when you need to.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.